Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see Lightning input type is equal to date formatting in Salesforce Lightning Aura Component. In Salesforce Lightning Aura Component, we have Lightning input where we can get date information using type is equal to date. If we wanted to format the look and feel of the date, then we can make use of dateStyle attribute. Using the dateStyle attribute, we can display the selection of the date as per your user experience. The date using this dateStyle attribute, we can set short, medium, and long. I have created a Lightning Aura component for this demo where I'm using enter a date. I am using that as the label, and name is input 1, input 2, and input 3. So I'm going to have 3 lightning input where type is equal to date, and for the date style attribute I have set short, medium, and long. Let's look at the output of this. So here for short it displays like this, for medium it displays like this, and for long it displays like this. So as per your user experience requirement, you can make use of short, medium, and long for the date style attribute to display the user selected date as per your user experience. Please check the video description. I have shared my blog post in the video description. Using the blog post, you can get the sample code which was referenced in this video, and you can use that as a reference, and then you can develop on top of it. I hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching.